Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a portal called solarrooftop.gov.in. It's a national portal for solar rooftop that is introduced by central government. So various states have been providing subsidies for rooftop solar installation. So to centralize all these procedures, the central government has come up with this portal, and they are offering up to 40% subsidy up to 3 kilovolt, so 20% about 3 kilowatt and up to 10 kilowatt. So what you have to do is you have to come to this portal, and you can log in with after selecting the state. If I just show you the website, you can come in here and you can put in your state. Let's say if it is Karnataka, then what is the distribution company? Bescom is the most popular one there. So you can put in your consumer account number. Then after that, it will ask for your OTP, which is sent to your mobile phone number. So the mobile OTP is also sent in an app called Sandesh app. You can install it. It is nothing, instead of getting your OTP by SMS, you will get it OTP within that app. So it's an open source communication app there. So after registering for it, you can log in after activation of your email that you have provided there. So after that, it will take you to this portal where you can submit your application. So these are the various steps that is involved. So you apply for solar rooftop installation, then they conduct the feasibility approval, submit the installation details, inspection status, project commission status, subsidy request, and subsidy disbursal. So you can fill this form here, and there are various questions that you might have regarding the installation. So let me quickly brief you through some of these questions. So what is a simplified procedure for installation of rooftop solar PV systems? So in addition to this existing procedure of tendering and empanelment by the state electricity distribution companies, MNRE has introduced a simplified procedure through which beneficiary can install the rooftop solar project either by themselves or through a vendor of their choice. Under this procedure, it will not be mandatory for beneficiary to install only through the vendors empaneled by DISCOMs. Beneficiary will have to apply online through this portal. So what is this national portal? MNRE has developed this national portal for the registration of application under the simplified procedure. So these are the various things that you see here. So you might have seen this in news also. National solar rooftop project. That is launched by central government. So let me quickly brief you through the procedure. So a national portal for registering application from the beneficiary and approval thereof and tracking progress will be developed. So this is the portal that I just showcased to you. Then the household beneficiary who wishes to install the solar rooftop under the new mechanism will apply in the new national portal. Beneficiary will be required to submit necessary information, including the details of bank account, where they will get the subsidy amount that will be transferred to them. The application will be forwarded to concerned DISCOMs for issuance of technical feasibility approval, and there is no cost for application within the next 15 days. After obtaining the technical feasibility, the beneficiary will install the RTS plan from any vendor of the choice by selecting solar modules fulfilling the conditions of DCR. So this list of empaneled vendors will be provided on the portal. The beneficiary has to install this RTS plan within a specified period, otherwise his application will be cancelled and he has to reapply. Upon installation of this RTS plan, the beneficiary will apply for net metering on the national portal, which will be forwarded online to concerned DISCOM. After installation of the net meter, DISCOM officer will submit a commissioning and inspection report on the national portal, which will also be reflected on the DISCOM portal. On receiving the inspection report, the subsidy will be released directly in the bank account of the beneficiary by the DISCOM. The whole process will be monitored, and a grievance redressal mechanism also will be put in place. So I think this is a great initiative by central government. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.